So ladies and gentlemen, forward back, welcome back to our next vlog. You know what I mean? Right now, me just a forward from the summer store. Me just go get some fish and let me see what I want. Why not the bag? Alright. This fish feeding. Me buy a little slippers, a little idiot slippers. That I just wear in the house, some little red Puma slippers. What else me buy? Me have phone case. I have a little idiot phone case for my phone and a screen protector full in it. I put the fish them in a tank like a while. I show you how them look. You know you have to put them in a tank with the water for them get used to the temperature and everything before. I upload a vlog to right now as you can see. My computer screen won't clean. Yeah, but I upload a vlog. Yeah, I'm showing you them. See them there? You know what I mean? You don't have to put them in a day tank. Yo, the thing is, remember me just fix up the water and everything. So, me not even 100% sure if the water is good enough. So them here, them fish, I mean even you want to say this, but them fish is kind of a trial fish. To see if the water good. Make them just get used to the water temperature and everything. Because I put the thing in it to clean the water, to take out the chlorine and all of them stuff. I put all the something in them. I put everything I think I need. So I just pray so them you know dead. Although them I just test run them for me see if the water good, livable. And then I buy some more expensive one and some pretty one. For all of them I get them for $50. I buy how much of them? 4, 5, 6, 7. We get the 7 of them for $50. So ladies and gentlemen, see we have a light there so because the real light not forward yet. So Chawas I go do the honors and bust the bag for me. I make them swim around, swim out, swim out.
I got this, people. You gotta bust it from the top.
Yes.
You never put me on in there. Infested the water. Y'all get out! Get out! You're free! Remember me? Go on and stoke dog. Come on.
Come out.
Wow! Lovely! Say hi to your new homes. How much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So no watching 7 fish and famous kill them.
Yo, me don't tell them already say if them dead I water now sit there properly.
You say one exotic iguana.
Yes.
You say snakes.
Yes.
We getting all of that.
So.
I got to tell you all because famous updating quick. I got to take this.
Alright, see you later. So we drop them in now.
Yeah.
Yo, this one is ugly so. 1 and 2 on you. We just hope the water the sit right and do right. So then good. You understand? I check back in with them again and see if them still alive. So ladies and gentlemen, remember me telling you say cooking time now. Right now me in the kitchen. My pot there start bubble up. That I do the potato. In the last vlog me tell you now my sister we go supermarket. Put it to me head. I make sure I buy this today. Lemon pepper. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna make a lemon pepper. That fish spice. And honey. So I'm gonna make a glazed lemon pepper, honey, salmon with mashed potatoes. That about to be dinner for tonight. Yo, me G's them. So right now, me know now say where the cooking part of the vlog there, me just say me da go cook, but today is a different day. What me yesterday was the phone dead and me just never feel like go back upstairs for put my phone for charge, for wait a little bit, for go back downstairs, for me just show up piece of the cooking segment, you know what I mean? So today is a different day and for right now me just come from out the door. Me kind of build up my little snacks collection, you know what I mean? Me buy a couple of them here, I have couple of them here where I'm showing how them stay. Them have the little latch on it, and you fly it so, and what me lock them back. It have the rubber around it, so when you lock it down and do back the clamp and go so, it seal. No hands, nothing like that can get into this. Me need to wash them because I get a couple of them like one. And what I go do is full them away. They are them, I buy a couple of them. I don't know how much I buy, me just take up. Me just take up base stuff when I know I can full in them. I have peanuts. Damn! I may have one pretzel. Gotta have your pretzel. Them are not done yet? You know, yo, if something more in the bag there, something wrong. Oh, something more in the bag. Alright, why not? Oh. Something more in the bag, yeah. I want to know who remember them, yeah. I used to go to primary school, I used to buy them, yeah. We're gonna try it out right now. Yeah. Alright, oil work again. Oil work. Oh, you want meat? Yo, me no want to mash it up so quick as me get it now. You know me go do me read the instruction. Pull out the ball underneath the barrel. See, reading is fundamental. But yeah, no! Watch what go on here, no! Get me gunshot them. How they work again? You put them in this, I think, the way you turn it so. What me do wrong? Okay, you put them some fool. If you tell you years, me don't know them something, you know. I think I saw you put them. And then you put back this in this and lock it back. No. I saw them bust light. Yo, me want my money. Me want my money. Me want my money. Oh. Yo, then done quick, yeah, man. Me done with them there. Yo, when me wash up them and fill them up, me show no I go on again. Waste me damn money. So if you don't look down here, so you see the mess. Up here, so now we have our pretzels. Nice. Jolly Rancher. Nice. Sour herb. Nice. You know what I mean? Nice. Nice. Some G's them that are for that for right now, you can see say that no forward out and look three body, you know what I mean? Me have a couple more to deal with because I want to get some more things. As me say, I want to get so, yo, me even want to say to no, I just want to do it and then show on it, you know what I mean? I don't want to say this one bag of thing and then I change my mind and want to see it. Because I have on my mask, make my beard look so. When I take off my mask, some part of my beard squish down, some part they out. That's why my beard look like part uneven and all of them somewhere. For who I pray it right now. Yeah, but for right now, that's the vlog. Blessed Sunday to each and everybody. May upload this tomorrow, which is Sunday. Yeah, blessings and respect for out and support our next vlog. Big up on yourself. By Monday, Tuesday, we have our next vlog for now again. So, up pity, no pity.
Hold on there, before you click off, remember the merch in the bio right now for purchase. Any Big Up My G's merch, any color, we have everything for the ladies them, you know what I mean? We have phone case, we have everything, we have pullover, we have regular shirt, we have long sleeve. Support the movement, my G's. Blessings and respect. Up it in.